UTITECH empowers businesses to drive digital transformation through innovative data integration and smart factory solutions. We specialize in serving industries such as semiconductor, petrochemical, steel, and energy. Our comprehensive solutions cover data acquisition, alarm management, data visualization, inspection and shift management, and 4D asset management. By extracting actionable insights from data, we help clients optimize production, reduce costs, and mitigate risks. With deep expertise in OT, we excel in integrating various PLCs, controllers, and gateways, control systems, and have extensive experience in database integration, HMI, and SCADA. In the IT field, we have successfully implemented big data visualization and predictive analytics systems for numerous enterprises, enabling data-driven decision-making, increased productivity, and reduced maintenance costs.
Semiconductors are a resource-intensive industry of energy, water, chemicals, and raw materials. Aviva solutions can meet these three requirements and help improve agility, resilience, and sustainability ambitions for customers.
UTITECH offers comprehensive after-sales support, including training, remote maintenance, technical consultation, and system optimization. Together with UTITECH, let's drive business growth and embrace the intelligent future.